Hello students, today we will discuss how to zoom in and out your worksheet and how to split worksheet into different areas. We can use a zoom slider on the status bar of the Excel window in several ways depending upon the device you are using. Look, here is the zoom in and out slider. When you have to zoom out, you can click here. If you want to zoom in, then you click this plus sign. The normal zooming percentage is 100. We are having the different devices, and for it the way of zooming in and out is different. You drag the zoom slider button to the left or right on the slider to decrease or increase the magnification percentage. You can also click the zoom out or the zoom in button at either end of the slider to decrease or increase the magnification percentage. If you are having a touch screen, you use the stretch and pinch gesture with your thumb and forefinger on your touchscreen device to quickly zoom in and out to the cells. There is another way to zoom in and out of your screen, your worksheet, is you just, if you want to have a customizing magnificent of your screen, you just have to wait. Now there is one more procedure to zoom your screen, that is you go to the view. When you go to the view, you have a zoom command button here. You just select it and you can have your zooming to 200%, 100, 75, whatever. If you want to have the customization, like if you want to have your zooming at 10%, then you can type it here and you just press OK. Then it will be zoomed to 10%. Now if you want to select the fit selection, it is 400. Then you press OK here. Usually we use 100% zooming magnificent for our normal screens. So it was all about zooming in and out in your worksheet. Now what is the procedure to split the worksheet into windows? It is a very amazing effect of Excel that you can divide your screen to different subscreens that you can manage, or you can correlate your data with the other data. It is very easy way. Just wait. Yes. Now if you want to correlate the results of January month and of the March month, then you have the option here to divide your screen to different windows. Let's do it because it's very easy to do. You just go on the view tab, just select a window to split, a column to split. You just press split. Here is the option of split. It divides the window into different panes that each scrolls separately. These two windows you can see They scroll separately. You have divided them. The other sheet is this. Now if you want to compare the data of January and March, then you can compare it easily by hiding the column of February. It is the most powerful method to comparison your data. It will give you a good comparison between the two columns which you want to compare. We are having another feature here. You can also fix the headings. If you want to fix the headings, you have an option. You just click company. You just click company column here, and there is the command button freeze panes in the view tab. You just click it. Now you have the options here. If you want to freeze the column, it will be freezed. If you want to freeze the top row, it will get freezed. And if you want to freeze a pane is to select a particular area. It can be a row, it can be a column, and it can be a combination of row and column. We just select freeze panes and the company will be freezed. When you again select the split area, look, the company is splitted. Just wait. We were going to hide the February column and we want to split it. Yes. Yes. Now the column company is freeze. Whenever you change or you scroll your sheet, the company column will not move. Look, you can't see the company here because it is one and only for this sheet as well as for this sheet. So here is the way you can freeze your column or freeze your one line in the worksheet area. You can also freeze your one column or one cell. The procedure will be same. You just select that column, you select the freeze panes, and you have just unfreezed. You just freeze it. Then this column will be freezed. It will not move with your two windows. Now let's see how to add the sticky notes into your worksheet. You can add text comments to particular cells in an Excel worksheet. What are the comments? They are like a kind of electronic pop-up versions of sticky notes. For example, you can add a comment to your cell to verify a particular figure before printing the worksheet, to remind you that a particular value is only an estimate. Like if you are having the list of companies, like you have Telcoma, and you want to have the detail of this company and you want to write it here, but you want to include it in your cell. So there is a procedure or there is a feature in Excel to add the comments along with your cell. We will do it practically in the next lecture. Thank you.